Last month, we talked about creating assignments in Canvas, but did you know that there are ways you can keep these assignments organized for you and your students? Well, I've got 5 minutes and 5 minutes only to show you how you can do that. I'm going to first navigate to the assignments option on the left-hand course navigation menu. Here we have the assignments that we created or imported in last month's Canvas in 5. Each of these assignments has a descriptive name, so now we can see what they are. But we can further arrange these assignments to help keep everything clear and organized. The first thing that I want to point out is that we have an assignment called Week 2 lecture video that we imported from a previous class that we taught. When we did this import, this assignment got automatically added to the new assignment group called Imported Assignments. This was helpful at first, but now that we've edited and customized the assignment for the current course, we might want to organize this better. So at the top of the page, I'm going to click plus group, and I'll create a group here for the assignments called Video Assignments, and then we'll click Save. Now I can see the new group was made, but there isn't anything in it. So I'm going to want to move this Week 2 lecture video into this Video Assignments group. And we can do that in a few different ways. First, from the 3-dot button, I can find Move To. And using these drop downs, I can move this Week 2 lecture video into the assignment group Video Assignments. And here I can also choose where in this group I want the assignment to be listed. And then we can click Move. Another way that we can do this is we can use the 8 dots option on the left-hand side of the assignment bar here to click and drag and move this around. So I can click and drag the assignment, and I can also click and drag assignments to sort them. If we wanted to move all the assignments from a particular group into another group, we can do that from the 3 dots option on the gray assignment groups bar. And here I could move the contents to another assignment group. Since this imported assignments group is now empty, I can go ahead and delete it. I'm going back to the 3-dot menu and clicking delete. And then I'll confirm that I want to delete this assignment group. Canvas makes an assignments category by default when you create your first assignment in a course. So if I want to rename this group, I can go back to the 3-dot menu and I can click edit. And now I can retitle this group name. Maybe this is more aptly named something like problem sets. So I can edit that and then click save. Like we talked about before, we can click and drag assignments to reorder them within an assignment group, and we can reorder the groups themselves. So using the 8-dot option on the left-hand side of the assignment group, I can click and drag this so that the problem set group comes after video assignments, or the reverse. You can also reorder the assignment groups by using the 3-dot menu on the assignment group gray bar and saying move group. And again, we can use this drop down to indicate it should be at the top, before an assignment group, after an assignment group, or at the bottom. So here, if I select at the bottom, now this problem sets group will move after video assignments. I also want to highlight that you can use these carets to collapse or re-expand the groups at any point. And this can be particularly helpful if you're trying to reorganize groups that have a lot of different assignments, or you have a lot of assignments growing in your class. You can easily collapse these so that it's just easier to organize and look at one group at a time. Now let's look at the assignment page from the student view. Students can look at their assignments in 2 different ways, by date and by type. When they have selected Show by Date, assignments will be organized into overdue and upcoming assignments. But when they click Show by Type, they can see the assignments in the groups that you've designated on the assignments page. So this is really helpful because they can more quickly find what they're looking for and see what's expected of them throughout the course. Well, that takes me to the end of my time for today. For more Canvas tips like this one, check out the TLC's Learning channel and consider subscribing to get alerted when new videos are released. We hope that you can join us on May 29th, 2026 for TLC Tech Time, where we'll continue to explore options for Canvas assignments. And in the meantime, I hope you feel like you are better prepared to organize your assignments to help you and your learners.